Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. And today we are going to be unboxing the June, is that what month we're in? Yeah, the June Petit Vour box. So if you'd like to see what's inside, please keep watching. Okay guys, so we have our June Petit Vour box. Of course, as usual, I will have the information for the Petit Vour box linked down below in the description box. But if you did not know what it is a fully vegan and cruelty free subscription box. And Petit Vour itself is actually an online boutique. It's kind of like a vegan Sephora, but with more, like you can find some of the best vegan makeup and skincare and hair care, and it's all, like I said, all vegan, cruelty free. What else? There is also clothes, purses, like my Angela Roy bag I got from there. I'll link that video down below. It's great, guys. I love it. So yeah, so this is our June box. They have a little subscription box that of course I get, and we have our June box. Inside the box it always says be bold, be kind, which I love. And then this is what it looks like inside. Try not to spill anything out. And of course we have our card that tells us all the information about what is inside the box. So the first thing we're pulling out is the Take Sumi Detox Charcoal Deodorant and Detox in Sakura Blossom. And what this has to say is it's a natural bamboo charcoal deodorant stick. Activated charcoal and natural fermentation technology fight odor-causing bacteria, keeping you fresh all day. And it retails for $10. It doesn't smell bad. So yeah. I've been really trying to be more into more natural deodorant, so I'm actually very excited for this. The next thing is this Jane Iredale Lip Drink Lip Balm with SPF 15. You guys already know I like these. I actually have one. I showed you guys that I carry one around in my purse at all times during my what's in my latest what's in my bag, which was on the Angela Roy bag. It was also a review on that bag, so that's already going to be linked down below. But what this has to say about it is, quench your lips with hydrating protection. This lip balm leaves lips soft, lemon scented, and protected. Reef safe, broad spectrum, SPF 15. This retails for $17. Next is this Be Kind Nourishing Hand Balm, Rose and Geranium with shea butter and apricot oil. You guys know my skin is extremely dry, so I love any sort of hydration. So I'm already excited for this. And it says, made from a mix of deeply nourishing ingredients, this hand balm moisturizes, soothes, repairs, and promotes tissue healing and leaves a soft floral scent. Oh, and it retails for $16. And then the last thing in this month's box is this Lauren B Beauty Nail Growth Serum. It says the sheer blend of amino acids, antioxidants, vitamins E and C, peptides, and vegan biotin is salvation for your nails. Whether fragile, brittle, or already healthy, your nails will grow stronger and glossier than ever. And it retails for $75. Okay. And it just looks like this. And then has a tiny brush at the end. Does that have a scent? Not really. So there's that. Okay guys, so that was the June Petit Vour box. This is a 16 or 18, I can't remember, dollar box though. And the total of this box this month, like value wise, was $118. So you're definitely getting your money's worth. I love this box. I have previous videos which will be linked on this box, which will also be linked down below. I really, really, really like it, especially if you are in the market for more clean beauty, or really are just, you know, committed to only vegan makeup and beauty products. This is a great, great option. I can't say enough good things about this subscription and about just the whole boutique in general. I have done you know, hauls from there and whatnot, I will link the most recent one I did also down below. So yeah, I am pretty happy with what I got this month. Let me know if you get Petit Vour and what you thought of your box as well. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell on your way out so you're notified every single time I upload, which is every 2 to 3 times a week. And I would love to have you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!